Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. And this is the result from last night's Sunday night mixed media backgrounds. I am stupid excited with this. I'm actually going to use this tomorrow because it works better with the sketch. Today's sketch though is this 2-pager created by Rebecca V. I'm going to butcher her last name, so I'm not even going to try. She has this sketch right here. I'm going to use one side of it because I have a layout that has 3 photos that need to be done. So let's see what I can do. Guys, so I went through my kit and I have pulled out a good amount of papers. I'm going to use this polka dot kind of background paper. This is Crafting with My Nobies. It is one of the B-sides. I'm pretty sure that this other side of this is a cut apart. I looked at the cut apart and I was like, is there something on here that I'm going to absolutely need? And there wasn't. So I decided to use this background paper. To be fair, I did pull out all of the other papers before I found the background paper, which, you know, sometimes is the way my process works, and sometimes I pick the background paper first. Now, in the sketch, she has a lot of horizontal elements, and I am going to have horizontal elements, but I'm also going to have vertical elements because I like the way that these things layer up. This is kind of one of those, I'm going to look at the sketch and then I'm going to make my layout and just kind of go with whatever I got going on. I was using that chipboard sheet to kind of make my paper straight here. And now I'm going to cut 2 things of this paper right here from Echo Park, and usually my cutter is over on the right hand side of the page, and I was trying it out on the left hand side to see if it is something that I want to do, which is weird. Maybe. Is it weird? Like, I have had my cutter on the right side of my working space for years and years and years, and then today I'm like, oh, maybe I should try it on the left. I don't think I like it as much on the left because it's right there, right? But on the right side, I have my stack of paper that I have to go through to decide what is staying in the kit and what is not staying in the kit. So the only reason why I decided to put it on the left-hand side and try that out was laziness, I guess, right? Because I haven't gone through that stack of papers yet. So who knows? But I am using the papers that I pulled, and then I'm just going to layer these bad boys up. The colors in the dotted paper in the background match the colors that are in the other papers in the foreground. Now, I'm also not going to add a whole heck of a lot of embellishment to this layout, and that is because I really want you to look at the photos, right? Like, it is a map of Stark Industries. It is the Avengers Campus sign that it's saying what it is, and then it is the dedication of the Avengers Campus to Stan Lee. And I want you to look at the photos, right? Like, I don't want there to be a whole heck of a lot of other things on the layout. So I'm just going to follow the sketch and put a little cluster down here at the bottom. I'm going to use this kind of like vintage, almost TV-ish screen thing, and then it is a chipboard that says Making Memories, and then I'm going to find some other things to layer up on here. Basically, I'm decorating with some words, since words are the focus on the layout. And then that is going to do it for the layout, you guys. There is not a heck of a lot to this. And I think that that is good for a couple reasons. One, sometimes a quick and easy scrapbooking page is just what the doctor ordered. 2, sometimes a layout that has less on it is a nice break for your eyes as you're flipping through an album. 3, sometimes scrapbook layouts with less on them will really make you look at the photos, which is that's like the point, right? Like, I want you to read the words in the photos, which is my point here. And now I'm just going through some sticker sheets because I feel like there has to be at least one other thing on here. So it says happy weekend, which, you know, we went over a weekend. And just realized that I've been writing August on the dates and we went in July. So, yeah. I don't even know what to say about that, but there it is. Anyway, guys, this is going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out everyone who is playing along with 30 Days of Sketches. 30 Days of Sketches is almost over for the month. This month has flown by. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.